In this video, we will learn about human ear. We hear with the help of our ears. Human ear is sensitive to sound. The part of the ear that can be seen is the outer ear, which collects sound and makes us aware about them. So this is our external part, which is we are able to see. The rest part of the ear is very delicate and thin and actually hidden deep inside the skull. The three parts of the ear are as follows. So we have three parts of the ear which are as follows. The first one we have is outer ear or simply outer pinna, which is actually visible to us. The outer ear resembles the shape of a microphone that helps in collecting sound waves. So what ear pinna does is it simply collects the sound waves from the outside. So here the sound wave enters into our ear with the help of ear pinna. So when the sound enters the ear pinna, it is allowed to move through pipe-like chamber of air. Then the vibrations of the incoming sound are sent to the next part of the ear. So from here the air travels inside our ear, then it will move into a chamber, into a pipe like chamber. Then it will actually move towards the second part, which is the middle ear. So it is an air filled cavity called auditory canal. The inner end of auditory canal has a thin flexible stretched tissue called as eardrum. So this is our auditory canal, and at the end there is something which is called as eardrum. So this is our eardrum. It is a thin stretched membrane. Then inner ear. So the inner ear receives vibrations from small bones of the middle ear. When something makes a noise, it sends vibration or sounds through the air which hit the eardrum. So whenever there is some vibration has come inside or out, basically the sound has entered through ear pinna, then it will move towards auditory canal, and finally it reaches the ear pinna where it creates some of the vibration. So it produces vibrations on the eardrum. Then the eardrum is connected to three small bones. So here we are able to see these three small bones are present. So these are the three small bones which are actually connected, associated with the eardrum. So the eardrum is connected to these small three bones. As the eardrum vibrates, it causes vibrations to the delicate bones of the middle ear. So these three small bones start vibrating. The tiny hair present in ears get stimulated and send signals to auditory nerves of the nervous system. So these hairs send the vibration towards cochlea, and then finally they will move towards auditory nerve, and this auditory nerve will move the vibration towards the brain. So these nerves transfer the signal to the brain, and then the brain interprets the vibrations as sound. Thus we are able to hear. So what exactly happens is, let me just summarize it for you. First of all, the air enters through air pinna. Then it will move towards auditory canal, and from auditory canal it will reach towards eardrum. So what happens? Eardrum feels some of the vibration, then it pushes these three small two bones, and these three small two bones pushes the air, basically pushes the hairs or the tiny hairs present associated with them, and then these hairs will send the sound waves towards the auditory nerve, and this auditory nerve will reach the brain, and the brain and our brain interprets that someone is saying something or some sound is being produced by someone else. So we interpret what exactly is being said by someone else. So that's the complete summary. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.